Hi guys, welcome back to the video. So today we are gonna build a fireball farm. Also, I changed my AI sound. If you guys think good, I will use this for all the video. And like start to build now. Okay, so here we can see the farm we're going to build today. So you just stand here and AFK. There is spikes here, and you can get stuff too. You can go up here. And you put the spawners. They will fall down. I will put one for test. It's not going to hurt you. Look, 6 fireball just doing 1 golem. Okay, let's start build now. Do a cube first. Okay, now we can add some glass just for decorate. You can do other block too. Do 3 blocks high. Add obsidian again at top. Then do 15 blocks high, like that. And now you can do any block here, just to 15 high. Also, if you want to do the same one like mine, just use this to help. Okay, now just add obsidian inside so that the golem will not break anything. Okay, now the important thing. We need to put water. Like that, to the floor first. Remember, with 2 blocks wide. Now you need to unline your another account to put spikes, so that the golem won't hit you. That will be more safe. Now put water on the top, just for safe. You can don't do 2. %99% now. Now just put spikes on. We will put spawner later here. Put ladder. Now the last thing, put spawner on. And you can just FK here for fireball. You need wait a minute. Here we are, a golem. For fireball. And look, it's not break anything. Oh, another one. It's really good. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe.